If you're an iPhone user, then you must have already been greeted by Apple's latest iOS 14.5 update, and probably most of you must have already installed it. But unlike other recent updates, this one brings one of the most controversial and important privacy features called ATT, App Tracking Transparency. Now this was announced last year in June, and now it has finally been released. It basically lets you block apps from tracking your online activities from other companies' apps and websites. Now once you install iOS 14.5, you will get a pop-up on every app whenever you open it and asking you if you want them to track your online activities. Now let's see how does this feature works. Now if you choose allow, nothing will change. Apps will continue collecting your data like your age, location, health information, spending habits, browsing history, and a lot more, and eventually sell this information to advertisers and data brokers. And these third parties will then target you with personalized ads in websites and apps. But if you choose Ask App not to track, apps will not have the permission to collect your data and sell it to third parties. It will be harder for them to see what you are shopping for or doing inside other apps, which will make it more difficult for them to target you with ads. Now Apple says whenever you will open any app after installing iOS 14.5 on your iPhone, you will get a pop-up asking for your permission to track your online activities. Now when I tried installing to the latest version, but I did not see any of these pop-up notifications. In fact, I tried opening Instagram, Facebook, and other apps to see if this works. And if you're also facing this issue, then this might be because apps are not yet ready to show the pop-up on their apps. And you can also try installing iOS 14.5.1, which has just been launched. But if this also does not work, then you can just go to settings, privacy, and check if the feature is enabled. Now if you think of it, this is a great privacy feature and most of the users are really welcoming it. But one certain individual is not very happy with that, and that's Mark Zuckerberg. Now surveys suggest that up to 80% iPhone users will say no to app tracking, and Facebook says this will hugely impact its business. It tracks users' data to provide personalized ads, which in turn support small businesses and help keep apps free. Facebook has even taken out full-page newspaper ads criticizing the new app tracking feature. It says that this will force businesses to turn to subscriptions and offer in-app payments for revenue. Apple has always marketed itself as a privacy-first company. It has little interest in its users' data, and its revenue is fully based on in-app purchases, selling devices rather than advertising. So Apple does not have any problem with this feature. In fact, it has itself brought a privacy change that maybe Google should also think about bringing into Android smartphones. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about this. Also, like always, if you like this video, then do hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for all things tech.